Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another 2 DIY ideas using hula hoop from Dollar Tree. Earlier this week, I showed you guys how to make a simple but beautiful wall decor using hula hoop and the diamond shape mirror from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now let's begin with the first idea for today's video. As you guys can see in the video, for this idea, we're gonna use the Boho Decor from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you guys 2 designs by using this Boho Decor. For the first design, I want to keep the boho style. Since this decor is very beautiful already, I really like it. In order to wrap the hula hoop to match this style, I want to show you guys 2 options. The first option is to use those natural rope. The second option is to use burlap ribbon. I decided to use the burlap ribbon because it matches the boho decor very well, and also it's a quicker way to wrap the hula hoop. As you guys can see in the video, I only wrapped the exposed part of the hula hoop, but you certainly can consider wrap the whole thing. Then I used strong adhesive to glue 2 boho leaves onto the hula hoop. It's very easy, everybody can do it. Now let's check out how this decor looks. It is a beautiful decor, right? It cost me $5 and it took me 10 minutes to finish this decor. If this is your style, give it a try. You will like it. Next, I'm going to show you the second design with glam effect. Firstly, I glued 2 boho leaves onto the hula hoop using strong adhesive and hot glue gun. Then I used hot glue gun to create some lines to mimic the winds or texture of natural leaves. As you guys can see in the video, I kind of used the freestyle to draw these lines. They really don't need to be perfect. This is how those lines look before spray painting. Then I decided to use those half wooden boards to cover the hula hoop. I love those wooden boards and have used them in a lot of my DIY projects. You also can consider other options, for example, using the glass bead from Dollar Tree. After this, I took it in garage and spray painted it in gold. It is also pretty easy, right? Now let's check out how this decor looks. It's pretty, I like it. You can also use some glitter or crushed glass on the leaves to emphasize the glam effect if you want. Now let's move on to the second idea for today's video. For this idea, we're going to use the large hula hoop with diameter of 23 inches. As you guys can see in the video, I spray painted in gold color. Next, I want to show you guys the second item I used for this design. Yeah, it's empty candy cane again. I used this little candy cane in a recent Boho Decor DIY project. It turned out very beautiful. Next, I'm going to show you two more designs using those little candy cane. Firstly, I spray painted all of them in gold color. Then I used hot glue gun to connect two of them to make an elongated ring shape. I prepared 10 elongated rings. For the first design, I just randomly positioned those elongated rings within the hula hoop and used hot glue gun to glue them together and also glue them onto the hula hoop. You certainly can design your own way for this pattern, not necessarily following mine. After this, it's all done for this design. Now let's check out how it looks. It's pretty unique and elegant to me. I like it a lot. Next, I want to show you the second design for this idea. For this design, I added those mirror strips onto those elongated rings. I got those mirror sheets from Amazon. They are cuttable and pretty easy to use, and also very affordable too. This is how the elongated ring looks after I attach those mirror shapes. For this design, I prepared 10 of them. The next step is to lay out those rings onto the hula hoop. It is a pretty large decor, so I have to demonstrate on the floor. To glue those rings onto the hula hoop, I used X6000 and hot glue gun. It worked pretty well. Now let's check out how this design looks. Wow, it's beautiful! Those mirrors definitely give a high-end look. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on today's DIY projects. If you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.